So how to download Codex app on macOS? So now they have Codex app and a specific macOS app which you can use. This is pretty cool, and also I would really suggest you to try it right now because OpenAI provides it for a limited time. Codex with ChatGPT free and Go. So this free tier and Go is very cheap, like basic tier. And also on the Plus Pro business plan, they are doubling the rates. So you can basically get it for free for 1 month if you try it right now. So definitely, if you want to try it and you still don't want to upgrade to Pro Plus, then you just try it out. So this is kind of like a command center for agents, new way of building. Specifically if you want to code, and you can just build a lot of stuff in here. So yeah, and then you just tap download for macOS. You'll see the download file, and then how you just get started. Drag it to applications, open Codex, sign in, or enter API key, just sign in, select a folder or Git repository on your computer where a Codex will work. You can always change it later. You can just use like Command O and just select any directory. Otherwise, it will just go to Documents folder and create new projects there. And then you can just create your first task in there. So I tried it, pretty cool. So yeah, you can just see the terminal in here. You can just, for example, I want to build simple to-do list app with TypeScript. It just asks me which kind of framework I want, takes some time, then creates all the files. Then you have these commands. You can just open the terminal and run it in here. So then it's kind of creates it like that. So yeah, that's kind of the idea. What is that? So that's what you have, and that's how you just get started. Then there are also some things like automations. Then there are also things like skills, where you can learn like superpowers, like you can instantly deploy to like Netlify, whatever, to render tests, generate images, analyze spreadsheets, manage linear issues, Figma, develop web game, Atlas skill creator. You can create your own skill. Multi-step procedures for specific domains, tool integrations, domain bundled resources. So that's kind of so you can see the whole thing like that. Requires skill MD file, name, description, markdown. So yeah, that's the whole separate scene, like basically automation scene. So yeah, that's kind of the idea. Again, you can use it for free for 1 month, and that's what you can try it out.